Sunday jazz lounge on a Sunday, lit up a cigar, brown liquor, hard liquor, smooth sounds in the background. You know the vibes. Anyways, welcome back to it. It's another episode of your fave. It's the House of Pablo. Cue the music.
Hey, and I got the juice up, Minute Maid. Niggas been sipping on haterade. I don't really fuck with y'all anyway. Counting up the cash and we celebrate. Then we light up the day, can we levitate? Your girlfriend saying we should get it.
Let me formally introduce you guys back to my channel. Welcome back to it. It's the House of Pablo, back at it with another episode. Or to all 700 of my subscribers, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. I genuinely do appreciate the support to each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much. To new viewers, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below. I hope you enjoy the video. So in today's episode, we're tackling something very important, something I want you all to pay attention to: color blocking. I will be talking about how to put an outfit together, how to put the colors of an outfit together more specifically, correctly. Sometimes the things don't do the things, and then the things don't come together, and then it's a party. And you look like a Christmas tree. So I'm just trying to help you out a little bit, trying to get that fire fit, So stick around and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, check. The only difference here is the guy on the left is wearing patterns and color, and the guy on the right went for a more neutral and cleaner approach. And that is literally the moral of today's episode. Color can go a long way. The only difference between the two guys is the color of the shirt that they're wearing. And look at the impact and difference that can have on your whole outfit. It's very simple. You have two easy, simple choices to choose from. The first option is to let one statement piece determine your whole outfit. So you get one item that is going to guide you as to how to color the rest of your outfit. Secondly, you're going to use color as a statement in your outfit. So when you choose an outfit, in your head, you are specifically choosing a certain color. I'm going to be wearing all black today, or I'm going to be wearing red today. So your whole outfit's going to be based around the fact that you want to wear a specific color. So in this example, we have a camouflage shirt. We're going to use the colors of the shirt to guide us as to what kind of pants we're going to pair it with. So it's either we're going to choose brown pants or green pants to go with the shirt. Okay, check. So you have the camouflage shirt has brown, green and black on it. But that doesn't mean that you can just wear brown pants, because as you can see in the left, the brown pants does not go with that shirt. But the green pants, on the other hand, are complementary with the green of the shirt, which is why it goes. So the rule is the shade of the color you choose is also very important. So you need to know neutral colors. Neutral colors are very important because they help to not cause confusion when it comes to your outfit. Now, what are neutral colors, you ask? Neutral colors are black, white, browns, and your greens, your olives. So all those colors are neutral, meaning they do not hinder or they will not color block your outfit in any way. They would rather enhance it perfectly. So they let the dominant color shine, and then they just there to support, So, but you can't just use all of them at once or just pick one. Say you're trying to wear your salmon flannel shirt, or you're trying to wear a yellow jersey today, okay? Right? Easy enough, right? So you have one statement piece that you are going to use to guide you throughout your whole outfit picking. You get it? So in this example, we're going to use a salmon shirt. And the salmon shirt, we're going to pair with a complementary color. Here's a color wheel to try and show you guys, guide you as to what complementary colors are. Now, complementary colors are colors that are opposites on the color wheel, so they go together well. That's the gist of it. So green usually goes best with like your reds or your green, pinkish. So using the knowledge we have acquired today, here is a brief. We're going to a semi-formal occasion. Now, we have a salmon colored shirt that we want to wear, and the color wheel tells us that salmon, which is almost pink, goes well with a green, anything green. And we have a green suit, so we slap that on. But because it's like a semi-formal vibe, maybe get rid of the jacket, have formal pants only, and then we finish the look off with our white sneakers because they are white. They do not clash with any of the colors because that's a neutral color, and that is your House of Pablo certified look. Go get him, son. We have reached the end. Thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. I really appreciate it. Don't forget, if you haven't already, to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and then follow me on my IG. I will link it down below. And also don't forget to comment which your favorite fit was, what you took from this episode, and future content that you'd like to see also in the comment down below. Until next time, cheers.